Hello, I'm Jetta Marley, the founder of Intelligent Life. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Our work is dedicated to helping you understand the design behind all of life. We look at the structure, the nature, and the function of the energy of which you're made. Here in these meditations, we explore how you can access and utilize that design within your own experience. I hope you enjoy these materials. Closing your eyes, sitting upright, focusing on your breath. Being present to the rise and fall of the breath. And noticing that this is taking place moment by moment. The breathing remains ever present. And allowing the breath to bring your conscious attention wholly and fully into the present moment, into this moment in which you are sitting, breathing, this moment in which you exist, in which you are alive. That this very moment, right now, is where you can notice your existence, your aliveness. Being present is one of the simplest and easiest practices to do. There are no techniques. Just allowing your attention to take in the fact and the experience of your existence, moment by moment, without interruption, without distraction, without analysis, without seeking. Just feel what is present because you exist. Your consciousness, your presence, your aliveness. Your whole being is here right now. The full glory of your being is here right now. Everything you wish to know and experience is here right now. Allow your conscious attention to expand a little further outwards in every direction. Feel how your presence is there as you move your attention out further and further. So your being is still there. So as you breathe and sit, begin to notice how expanded your presence truly is. How far your presence reaches. And take it in. Notice that your presence is full of intelligent aliveness, full of sentient awareness, full of knowing, and it is all here right now in this moment, available to you. Allow yourself to rest into the present moment. Feeling the effortlessness of your presence. The simplicity of your presence. And feeling the beauty of your presence. Just being. And although the habits of the mind may cause you to feel that you need to step into the next moment and the next, that you need to quest or find, that you need to analyze, assess. Just notice this tendency of the mind, the habits of being, which seek to remove us from the present moment, to draw our attention away from being here, whole, full, complete, as we are in this moment. Relax into the present moment. Allow yourself to be fully here now. With no desire to leave. And notice what greets you when you open to this idea. You are already home. The present moment, this moment, is the home of your being. This is where you exist. This is where your aliveness reveals itself. This is where you access the fullness of who you are. Rest into this. And as you do so, you notice how your being opens, becomes more spacious, more peaceful, and more aware. Notice how the mind becomes quiet. The body becomes still. And your consciousness comes home to rest. Enjoy being present. Enjoy your being in the present.